Emotional repair is an essential part of healing from emotional pain, distress, or trauma, and restoring inner balance. It involves a systematic approach to recognizing and processing emotions and adopting strategies to regain stability and strength. First, it's crucial to acknowledge and validate your emotions. Recognizing what you're feeling without judgment and accepting that all emotions, whether sadness, anger, fear, or joy, are natural and valid is the first step toward healing. This acceptance builds the foundation for further emotional work. Next, identifying the root cause of your emotional distress is pivotal. By reflecting on what triggered your emotions, whether it's a past event, a recent situation, or an unresolved inner conflict, you enable yourself to understand the source of the pain. Expressing your feelings in a healthy way can then help in the healing process. Whether through talking with a trusted friend or therapist, journaling, or engaging in creative activities like music, art, or writing, expressing emotions constructively leads to cathartic relief. Practicing self-compassion should follow. Treating yourself with kindness, avoiding self-blame, and speaking to yourself in a supportive manner, akin to how you would comfort a distressed friend, enables you to nurture a gentle recovery. It's also necessary to regulate your nervous system to manage anxiety. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can soothe the mind, while physical activities like walking, yoga, or dancing can reduce tension in the body. Meanwhile, reframing negative thoughts challenges unhelpful thought patterns and replaces them with realistic, positive perspectives. Using affirmations like "I am strong and capable of healing" encourages mental resilience. Setting emotional boundaries is essential to protect yourself from toxic environments or draining relationships. Learning to say no without guilt empowers you to prioritize your emotional well-being. Engaging in activities that restore joy, such as reconnecting with hobbies or passions that bring happiness, spending time in nature, or enjoying uplifting music, can foster healing and contentment. Seeking support and professional help through therapy or counseling offers valuable guidance. Support groups or trusted friends can provide reassurance and encouragement, facilitating a supportive community for healing. Cultivating a growth mindset frames challenges as opportunities for learning and resilience building. Recognizing that emotional repair is a process, and that small steps lead to progress, fosters a stronger, healthier perspective on traumatic experiences. If you're feeling stuck or brokenhearted, embrace the concept of emotional repair. By releasing negative emotions, rebuilding self-worth, and cultivating deeper self-love, you can break free from cycles of heartache and begin to live a more joyful, fulfilling life. Recent research has provided valuable insights into emotional repair, illustrating the intricate relationship between mental and physical health, and exploring innovative therapeutic approaches. Firstly, the interconnectedness of mental and physical health demands a holistic approach to healing. Emotional experiences significantly impact physical well-being, and vice versa, highlighting the necessity of integrated mental and physical health strategies. Additionally, research into childhood trauma's impact on brain development shows that such experiences can disturb neural networks responsible for self-focus and problem-solving. This emphasizes the need for targeted interventions for emotional healing in those affected by early trauma. Bye.